Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course namuntlha hi tisa video yo vava swinene ya manager Philani yi humele accident swa vava swinene, so yaleyo video ya kona ka ha ri ni dio a ze ya hala na hala swa vava swinene.
Yes, guys. Just after I woke up now, I'm just involved in an accident. So like very good loving but I thank God because I managed to control the car. I need to go to maka ku tolo post hi swona ni vulavula hi swona a ni swi tivi, but this is life, guys. There are people lava va navelaka kun'wana kumeka a nga huma sharp. There's people lava nga va lava kun'wana kumeka a vavisekile. At the end of the day van'wana va ku fikelela swona, but I thank God this is a second accident. As you can see, this is the second accident. This is the second accident. I don't know, but they're trying to pull me down. Last in bisana na xilungwetana xin'wana xi tshova this mirror. Xilungwetana xin'wana xo hlupheka xi bisa movha mina xi ku sorry ni swi twisisa ni famba. Namuntlha ni tlhela ta bisana na mulungu un'wanyana hi xitututu. Fika ntsena fika ni brikela mahlweni hi fambeni ka 2 lane. A very same situation. So I don't know, but I'm safe. So I don't know. So there's my car there. It's just a front bumper. It's just a front bumper, but I'm safe. It's just a front bumper here. So this is the bike. Not bad enough. We as black people under my long drive. I don't know what was going through his mind, because I was driving nicely, slowly. No puga one this morning, as you can see. No puga. And I wouldn't say no. I was driving nicely, slowly. Nishi bench lungwetana xona xa wela le hansi, and I nearly tlhela xi drive ehenhla ka xona no xi vhika ni kota ku control movha mina ya fika laha yi nga kona. So va busy na yena laha, we le ku khomanseleni ku at least ava right, ni nge vavisini. And you know, I'm hurt because this thing it is happening like for the second time, but it's God's grace, you know. The guy is injured once again, and I'm sorry for that. So guys, I ranzani na vanhu vantima. I don't know, maybe I go gina se seketele swo tala comments tin'wana loko ti vona loko se swi endleka so swi ndzinga hi tona. Yeah, I'm fine, guys. I'm fine.